Mm. So good.
Okay guys, so let me show you the recipe of my brother.
Snacks for today, it's called, my brother called this kabidak. So this is cassava and syrup. Look at this, the texture. Sobrang sarap. Mm. So good. Mm. Mm. So good.
This is cassava syrup. Wow.
Mm. Mm.
Cassava and syrup.
Lamig tayo. Mm. Good. Mm. I put it on a plastic plate para dali siya maminaw. And if you like, use a fan para mas dali siya maminaw. But overall, wow, grabe. Mm.